Hello! This lecture is all about light. Light is one of my favorite things to talk about. I hope you will find it as fascinating as I do. We'll start by thinking about light in our everyday lives. When we look around and see things like coffee cups or people, we're really seeing the light that has interacted with those things. Our brains interpret the light and make sense of it so we know what we're looking at. So, how do we experience light? When I think of light, I think of colors. A beautiful rainbow, for example. That spread of colors is called a spectrum. But mixing colored light is different than mixing colored paints. If we mix all the colors of light together, we get white light. This wide variety of all possible colors that we see actually comes from just a few colors in varying proportions. Red, blue, and green are the primary colors of light because they are the colors directly detected by the cells in our eyes. Colors look different on paper, so artists generally work with an alternative set of primary colors. Cyan, magenta, yellow, and black are mixed to produce the variety of colors on paper. If you hold a magnifying glass to colored newsprint, you can see this for yourself. Light can interact with matter in four basic ways. One way is through emission. A light bulb, for example, emits visible light. Another way light interacts with matter is by absorption. When you place your hand near a toaster, for example, your hand absorbs some of the light, and this absorbed energy warms your hand. Light can also be transmitted. Some forms of matter, such as glass or air, transmit light or allow it to pass through essentially unchanged. Objects that absorb light are called opaque. Many materials are neither perfectly transparent nor perfectly opaque, like sunglasses or colored glass. Consider a stained glass window. The sun's white light is filtered by the stained glass. Pieces of red glass, for example, will only let through red light, and blue glass will only let through blue light. Since the sun contains all the colors of the rainbow, each color of the glass is able to transmit a portion of the sun's light. But what would happen if the sun only emitted yellow light and nothing else? If that were the case, then the red, orange, green, blue, and purple pieces of glass would appear black, and only the yellow would glow. Finally, light can interact with matter by reflecting and scattering. Light can bounce off matter, leading to what we call reflection, when the bouncing is in all the same general direction, or scattering, when the bouncing is more random. The reason a blue flower looks blue in the sunlight is because it's absorbing all of the colors of the sun's light except blue. The blue gets reflected. A lawn of green looks green because it absorbs all the colors of the sun's light except for green. The green gets reflected. All the information that light brings us from the cosmos is encoded by the same four basic interactions between light and matter: emission, absorption, transmission, and reflection and scattering. But our eyes tell only a small part of the story. We can see only a tiny portion of what's actually there. To catch what's invisible, we need to better understand the nature of light. Well, I hope this lecture was at least a little illuminating. I will talk to you more about the nature of light soon.